All right, fellas, I'm sitting out here in the garage. Let's do a time and temperature check real quick. Dang, I got it hidden back here. Let's do time and temperature. It's about 20 after 12 in the p.m. I'm getting ready to go in. It's been raining all night and all morning. Let me move this box out of the way. Here we got 64 degrees, or 78 degrees, and 64% humidity. It's probably a lot worse than that outside because of the rain, and we're not talking about this 56 Chevy today. This thing is, we'll get to that later on. Guys, I had one of my neighbors, him and his son were down here some time back. We were talking out in the driveway, and I brought him into my hobby room and showed him around, and his son really seemed to enjoy these. So he come down to the house last night, and my wife answered the door out front. He had these old kits that he went to an auction, and these were in a box, and he had no use for them, and he knew that I built models, so he brought them down. He said, if I wanted them, that's okay. If I don't want them, throw them away or whatever. And they're just not my thing, but maybe somebody out there might enjoy these. These are old. I think some of these are dated back to 82. They're pretty old models, so let me show you here, guys. Daggone. And these are from the old, I'm going to show you a picture here, Sierra Nevada models. Now, these are airplanes. I've got 3 of these, and you can see, let me try and get this open here one-handed. Here's instructions, and guys, it's all wood. So, I don't know what kind of planes they are. It doesn't say on the outside here, but I've got that one. I've got a smaller box here. It's still taped up, but it's from the same company, model company. I don't even know if they're still in business or not. And then I got this one. This one's a little bit bigger, and it's from a different model company. Maybe some of you guys recognize that name. I don't know, but this one doesn't have a whole lot of information on it. That's 3 of those right there I just showed. Then I've got this one here, and this is an old AMT. Let me stand up for the old AMT kit. It's a fire truck, a pumper, and it's a where did I see it? Somewhere here, 1/25th scale. It's all plastic. It's an old kit. I think this one was dated. Well, I can't remember. I think all these are back in the early 80s, but guys, let me back up. I'm so close on that thing. If anybody has any interest in these models, now please don't contact me just and say you want them just because I'm going to give them away. I would rather give these to somebody that may enjoy working on these. But I just have no need for them, and all I ask is, I mean, it'd take a pretty good sized box here to put all these in. So if you want to pay $10 to $15 towards the shipping, I'll send all 4 of these kits to you. But if not, I'll let them hang around for a while. Then I'm not sure what I'll do with them. I'm not going to store these and keep them. But guys, let me back up a little bit more here. Guys, if you have any interest in putting these old wooden models together, or maybe this plastic old AMT fire truck, that pumper, get with me and let me know, and we'll see if we can't work something out. All right, I'm done.